Hey everybody, welcome back to another business analysis video. Today I'm taking a different approach. See, I'm on the train and I'm with,
Welcome to this service for
of
London
course.
Liverpool Street.
Now you all know where I'm going to.
London Liverpool Street.
Okay, and I'm with my friend Lungile. Do you guys remember
The
her
next
from
stop
one of
will be London Liverpool Street.
The podcast that we
yes, the podcast that I did,
Yes.
where we talked
Circle
about
we spoke about building the sector of excellence
Yes.
for business analysts.
Yes. So we're both heading to the BA conference.
The
together.
UK BA conference taking place started on Monday. Today is Wednesday, and it's the last day of the conference.
Yeah, and we're both so excited to be experiencing this.
So where are you, Peppa?
I'm at the BA conference.
Where do I stop it? Right.
Wait, let me do this one as well.
Okay. Hello, look at you. Move to the yellow.
And your audience is like YouTube
Business analysts, aspiring business analysts and experienced business analysts. I talk about business analysis in general on my channel.
Get serious. So this is the IIBA stand. This conference is actually the energy in this conference. I was just giving a talk this morning in the introduction. It's a real nice energy conference. Like the people here are really nice, everyone's really good camaraderie, and when you have in-person connections, then it really feels like you feel connected, right? And that's why I'm experiencing this. And I gave a story. We had a forest fire in our place where we live in Portugal yesterday, and my family evacuated, and it was really stressful. So I was here yesterday, helpless in London, thinking about what's going on in Portugal. But what was amazing is everyone helping and coming together and sorting it out, And so this conference reminds me like that community, forming a community of business analysts and going on the journey together in business analysts professionally, but also personally, and pushing ourselves and growing, something I'm really passionate about. So I'm the professional development director of IBA UK. I also run my own coaching company, Confidence Sage, which is also a container for creating a community and helping business analysts professionally with confidence, with high performance. So I'm really enjoying this.
Amazing. What's your name?
James Competent.
James
Competent.
Competent.
Yes.
Ah, okay. And your business, so that I can link it in the description.
Confidencesage.com.
Confidencesage.com.
And you can link with me on LinkedIn as well.
Awesome. I'll do that definitely. I'm Pippa, by the way.
It's really nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah,
Thank
this is a
you.
cool place. I hope you're enjoying yourself.
I hope
It's
so.
a really nice edge.
Yeah.
The different VA tools and techniques, just kind of a quick
Amazing.
reference, refresh your memory,
Yes.
something you might look to apply.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah, so
Thank
grab
you.
one. We
Can I
got
take
10.
two, one for
Yeah,
a friend?
yeah.
Thank you. Oh, we have chocolates here at the BCS Publishing stand. Here. And these are the books that help business analysts. And this is the one I always talk about, the 1, 2, 3 business analysis techniques. And the business analysis 4th edition, which you need for your exams. And I also have this one, which is great, which is a good book. I would like to get this one actually. It's amazing. So we are in. Am I recording? Yeah. So we're in one of the rooms. Oh my God, the lighting here is not the best for videos.
Maybe when you go
Blue lighting. But look at one of the rooms where they do the conference things.
Yeah, we'll go closer to the.
Hello. Hi everybody. Fellow content creator here. Business analysis content. Talk about your channel.
Oh yes, it's passionate business analyst. I'm also doing stuff about business analysis. Not as good as you, of course, but I'm
No,
trying.
that's good.
Yeah. It's great to meet fellow content creators and fellow business analysts on the conference, and it's a
Yes.
pleasant meeting. So
Amazing. Thank you.
What was that?
That was good. It's been fun so far.
Yes,
I'm so
really amazing,
excited.
eh?
Yes.
Wow, I got to see both my YouTubers, my favorite YouTubers,
Me
don't
as the
wanna
top one?
Yes, 100%.
Just kidding.
Yeah, and I actually wanted to take a picture with both of you. A bank, and yes, I've had the privilege of working in other African countries doing business analysis. It has really become very evident that our profession, or rather the practice itself, it is a global skill, right? And with that, it means I can have opportunities to actually work in other countries as a business analyst. So I'll just be looking at what are they understanding.
Is it capturing my face? Have you pressed the red button?
Okay, wait. 1, 2, let's go.
Hey everybody, I'm Pippa from Business Analyst School in London. Make sure you join Lungile and Petunia at the South Africa Summit in Devon this November 4th. See you there! Here's another lady that I met. Hello! Ada is my namesake. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Hey everybody, what a long day we've had. What a long day. It's been really good though, we've learned a lot, isn't it?
Yes, we've been exposed to so much great information. It's been great learning,
amazing.
sharing. Oh, but Peppa, I must talk about the networking. Ooh,
Amazing, it has. I've met so many people.
Yes, wow, it's been quite amazing. I'm actually glad that we came. Hey,
I'm glad that we came, definitely.
Yes. I tell you, business analysis is the future.
It is the future.